How to sync your Outlook calendar with Microsoft Teams. First, open your web browser and go to Microsoft Outlook website. Make sure to log into your account. After logging in, you will be on the Outlook dashboard. In the new Outlook, Teams integration is already built in automatically. Go to the top right corner and click the Microsoft Teams icon. This will open your Teams dashboard, where the calendar is automatically synced with Outlook. An event you create in Outlook will appear in Teams, and any meeting added in Teams will show up in Outlook. No extra setup is needed. For better organization, explore settings in both apps to adjust notifications or color code events. Your Outlook and Teams calendar are now fully synced and can stay updated in real time. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.